Welcome to my class, my student. Today is Thursday. Please, always you need to copy in your notebook the date, the topic, performance, and the activity for today is review and identify the vocabulary about popular toys that you have in your page 16 and 17, okay? And we continue with the same activity that we did this week. Activity: read the sentences and draw the main ideas. And today you work alone. Yes, you work alone. And why, teacher? What happened? Don't worry, I heard you. I heard you. Always, always, I heard you. ¿Le vas a ayudar a los niños? Yes, because I am very intelligent. Okay, you can do it. Okay, don't worry. The number one, you need to read, okay? Read. Okay, read, please, Margarila. Okay, I read. Most people wear pants. Okay, and now draw the idea. Okay, it's very easy, teacher, because I have the thing that can I have. Pants. Don't worry. Wait for me one moment. Wait for me. Pants, pants, look, pants, pants. Ay, oye, Tusina. Déjale los pantalones a Sammy en su sitio. Okay. Number two. Here, only soldiers used to wear pants. They were comfortable for horseback riding. Okay. Yahoo! Yes. Okay. Okay, I have a picture for you. Look. The man used the soldier your pants. Okay? Or soldiers. Okay, very good. Number three. Les estás ayudando mucho a los niños, Margarila. The men and boys wore short pants. Okay? Only shorts. The women didn't wear them. Only boys. Okay, teacher? Okay, Margarila. Company made the sneakers in 1892, okay? And only the athletes wore sneakers. Okay, I understand. And I help my students. Don't worry about that. If you don't understand the vocabulary, I have one activity. Look, sneakers. ¿Qué vas a hacer? Ay, sneakers. Here. And the other. Sneakers. Ay, excuse me. Ay! What happened? A boy in underpants. Margarila. Ay, Margarila, please. Okay, look. Ay, Margarila. Okay, no more. The pants. Is me, teacher, I move you. The pants for the boy. Ay, ya. No more, please. Okay, I have other vocabulary. Hula hoops. Okay, good. Cube. Here, quickly, teacher, help me. Okay, and here. Okay, and now the other is blocks. Okay. Very good, Margarila. Excellent. And now, continue with our class, teacher. Okay. No! Yes, yes. Homework. Ay, Margarila, no asustes a los niños. It's very easy homework. Ah, okay. Review the question words. Ay, vas a hacer preguntitas. Sí, señorita, voy a hacer preguntitas. Entonces, vamos a repasar. Recuerden que ya lo habíamos visto, pero les voy a hacer un repasito. Ok, teacher. Listo, entonces yo digo, ayúdame Margarila, por favor. Ok, teacher. Who? Who? When you use who? Ay, when you ask about people, okay? Where? You use where when you ask about place, any place. When? You use when you ask about the time. Why? You use why when you ask about a reason. Continue. Quickly, Margarila. Ay, I couldn't. ¿No pudiste? No. A ver, yo te ayudo. Okay, thank you, teacher. Sure. Ay. Okay. What? When I like identify something. Okay. And wish when. Okay, ese sí no lo hemos visto. Ok, esto lo vemos cuando quieres escoger algo. Entre una cosa o no. And how is when you ask about the way. Okay? Como, ¿cómo? Okay, look. I want to know the who, person, where, position or place, when, time, why, reason, what, a specific thing of object, which an alternative, and how is the way. Okay? Okay, teacher. Ellos ya sabían eso. Ay, sí, no seas grosera, no hables así. Estás igual que Sammy. Sammy es sleeping. Ok. ¿Sabes qué? Estar buscando sus pantalones. Ay, Margarila. Ahorita le dices dónde está. Ok. Ok. Your homework. Margarila ya les ayudó el día de hoy, entonces les voy a dejar una tareita. Homework. Your homework is in your page 16, point B. You have the question words how and only how is the way. Remember that. And when you finish to copy to answer that question about this page, you continue with other question because it's only 3 and continue with that. What do pugs look like? B. How, the way, and what, identify how, the way the people use hula hoops. Okay. Hi, teacher. When, remember, time, was the Rubik's Cube popular? When you answer time, a day, or year. Why is the reason why the soldier used to wear pants? Why? I guess I know. Okay. No le vayas a decir, por favor. No. Margarila. Ay, teacher. Uch. And who is a person or people? Very good. Who use sneakers? Yes. Until this year. And this is your homework, my students. And you can send me this homework before the next Thursday, okay? The next Thursday. And I say you bye. Bye. You say the student bye. Bye. Ahorita sí voy a buscar los pantalones de Sammy. Ay, Margarila. Say bye the student. Bye, student. I love you. I try to help you. Yes, they know. Okay, bye.